Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down to earth living. Welcome back to Alley in the Valley and happy Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo has to be one of my favorite reasons to eat Mexican food day. I love Mexican food. I live in Los Angeles. If you live in Los Angeles, you gotta love Mexican food because we are right on the border, baby. And tonight, I'm gonna make a really simple, easy steak fajitas. Steak fajitas are probably the least fattening Mexican food you can eat, and like all of us, I'm always trying to figure out the least way, the least calories and all that, even though I eat everything and drink everything. I marinated some steaks already, and the marinade recipe will be on my website. And soy sauce, hot sauce, salt and pepper and all that. It's been sitting already overnight in this bag. And it's the skirt steak, which I buy. We'll soak it all up. And I'm gonna put them on the grill. I'm gonna put them on the grill, then I'm gonna cut all my vegetables out and then put them in a tortilla. So anyway, skirt steak, really thin, nice pieces of steak. I also have my tortilla maker, grill, hot, ready to go. And see, this steak is so thin, it doesn't take long to cook. All right, so while the steak is grilling and the tortillas are on the grill, I gotta multitask. I'm gonna cut my bell peppers up. The bell peppers are gonna go, I'm gonna grill them too. And they're gonna be part of the fajitas. Put a little olive oil on here. And I'm going to salt and pepper. Let me find some salt and pepper. Before I start serving my steak fajitas, I'm gonna make a drink called a chelada. Okay, I'm new to a chelada. It's beer with clamato juice with a little spices. I had it at my neighbor's. I have a lot of Latin American friends that live around the corner from me. I'm in Chatsworth. And they made it the other night and I was like, that tastes good. I've never had that. I'm gonna go home and make it. So this is just regular salt. You know, margarita salt. I don't know what's going on today, Tangine, in here that you put on the mangoes and the spices that they use on all their fruit. Okay, let's get this cracking. I need some lime to rim the glass with, so I can get the salt on there. The glass, okay? Now I'm gonna put ice in. Okay, this is like a spicy tomato drink. It was really good, refreshing. Okay, half and half. Who's up for something new? I'm always ready to try something new. I hope you are. Staying open is the spice of life, you know? Staying open. I tell my kids that. Stay open. Okay, we don't want to overdo it. All right. Then you put a little Worcester sauce in. It's almost like a Bloody Mary, but not with vodka, so you're not as like cuckoo. It's refreshing actually. A little hot sauce. Okay. And some lime juice. Lime juice. Juice of a lime. Juice of a lime. You know what? I'm ready to go against anyone who's making a chelada. Okay, let's get the steak fajitas. For Cinco de Mayo. For Cinco de Mayo, I made a quick and easy steak fajita with vegetables, corn tortillas, flour tortillas, and all the condiments. And a chelada or a michelada. I'm not sure which one I really made, but I know it's one of those. You know where you can get the recipe at www. Alley in the Valley. Look at these tortillas. Yes, corn tortillas. You know, I'm using my hands because it's just me. The kids will be in here in a minute. Bell peppers, red onions, simple, you know. So tomatillo sauce, love, some guac, okay, cilantro. You know, down in Mexico, they don't use a lot of cheese, but if you want cheese, you can have cheese. Happy Cinco de Mayo. And here's to steak fajitas. So good.